Hi everyone, so this is going to be a quick tutorial for volunteers at the 2017 TASH conference who are working the info desk. So this will be a quick tutorial on using Sched on the computer. So you'll want to start by visiting www.tash.org/conference2017, and it'll take you to the registration and more page, which houses all the information about registration, the hotel, etc. So we can start by checking out this main level navigation bar at the top. So you can view the schedule by clicking here, and this is going to populate every single session at the TASH conference. You can click on speakers, and you can check out some of the speakers, learn a little bit more about them, and see what sessions they're speaking at. You can check out our sponsors, learn a little bit more about them, and visit their websites. You can check out our exhibitors. These profiles will also have booth numbers at some point before the conference. We just haven't populated them yet. You can check out attendees. Let's see. You can see their name, organization, location, bio. See, I think Jessica uploaded links to her Twitter and her Facebook, which is really great. Yeah, so that's the top level navigation bar. As you can see, clicking on the schedule is a little overwhelming. So in order to really find the sessions that you're looking for, you'll want to use the sidebar over here. So this search feature is really helpful. You can search for a topic, and you can find people who are speaking for any of the panels who have IEP in the description. You can find any of the sessions on IEP just by searching in this toolbar right here, or search bar. You can also search by date. So if we wanted to check out everything that was going on Thursday, you could search by date. You can also search by room number. So if you just attended a session in L406 at 9:45 and you wanted to see what was coming up at 10:55, you could search via room. And then down here, you can search by session type. So you can click here and you can view all the breakout sessions occurring at the conference. You can view all the poster presentations occurring at the conference. You can view all the Wednesday workshops. So these searches are very similar to how you would search on the app. You can search by topic, and you can search by theme, which is a little bit more narrow than the topics. Topics are a little bit more high level. There we go. So one other thing that you can take care of while you're logged out is printing the conference schedule. So there will be printed programs at the info desk. We'll have about 10 copies, and it'll look like this. So this is going to contain all the high level information. So the time, the day, the name of the session, the location, and then it'll have this code above to show what type of session it is. So this is what will be printed at the info desk. You can have this version printed. You can have a detailed version printed, which gives a little bit more information, such as the description of the session. So we're going to have the simple version printed at the info desk. So that's really helpful. This full conference printed program can only be accessed when you are logged out, and I'll show you why. So let's go ahead and log in. All of our conference attendees should create profiles. Most of the speakers already have, and the attendees should do so as well. So once you're logged in and you go to print version, oh, it prints the whole thing. Okay, so here's a little trick. This is my schedule. I've added a couple sessions to my schedule. You can see them here. If I go to print version, it's only going to print my schedule. So that's a little trick as well. So if someone comes to you, we'll have versions of the full conference program available, but this is a good way to have them print their own schedule, use less paper, etc. So you can click print here, you can email my schedule, and you can click print here. So let's talk about adding a session to my personalized schedule. Let's say I was looking for a Wednesday workshop on guardianship, and I wanted to add that to my schedule. So I will click this round circular icon right here, and an arrow will appear. So that is now going to be added to my schedule. If I wanted to remove it from my schedule, I would just do the same thing, go back to the session, uncheck the session, and see how it was removed. I can also tweet my schedule, and that'll populate a link to my schedule page. I can share it on Facebook. And I can email it to a friend. So that is a high-level overview of Sched from a computer. Thank you for your time. I hope that's helpful, and I will be around during the conference to answer any questions for you. Thank you.